Hello everyone. In this video, we are given n plus 20 is equal to x square and n minus 21 is equal to y square. We have to find n, x and y where n, x and y belongs to set of natural numbers. So let's move towards the solution. Let we take as n plus 20 is equal to x square as equation number 1 and n minus 21 is equal to y square as equation number 2. If we subtract 2 from 1, this will give us minus, plus and minus. Here n will be cancelled out with n and we will get x square minus y square is equal to 41, which can be written as x minus y into x plus y is equal to 41. Since x and y belongs to set of natural numbers, so we can write x minus y and x plus y is equal to 1 multiplied by 41. And from here, because we have only factor of 41 is itself and 1, therefore from here x minus y is equal to 1. Let's say this is equation number 3 and x plus y is equal to 41, which is, let's say, equation number 4. If we add up these equations, then y will be cancelled out with y and we will get 2x is equal to 42, and from here x is equal to 21, which is the first value of x1. Now if we substitute this in an equation, in equation number 3, if we substitute this in 3 or 4, we will get x plus y, that is equal to 41. If we substitute the value of x, which is 21, or from here y is 41 minus x, and y is equal to 41 minus 21, that is 20. So this is, now substitute in any of the equation 1 or 2 these values. From equation number 1, n plus 20 is equal to x square, n plus 20 is equal to x square, or n is equal to x square minus 20. X is equal to 21, so 21 square minus 20. So n is equal to 441 minus 20 and n is equal to 421. Here, which is the answer? If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.